Step 1. Remove the screws from the embroidery plate. There's 2 screws on my machine. I'm working with the SE700 and I'm going to be using this tool. I'm not sure the name, but I lost my tool that came with it, so I'm just going to improvise. So there's 2 screws. I forgot to mention to make sure that your screws are not on your machine when you take the plate off because they may fall in. Step 2. Remove entire embroidery plate. Okay guys, you want to be gentle when you're removing this so that you don't break any of the attachments. So yes, go ahead and remove that. Step 3. Identify jam and prepare to clear it. Here we see our jam. We got all kind of entanglements. So go ahead and give it a tug to see where it's tangled at, to see if you can snip it and release the tangle. Step 4. Use scissors to clear jam if you are having trouble disconnecting the thread. So I went ahead and used my scissors and there's the jam, the balled up thread. I was able to get it out with no hassle. And then you want to go ahead and remove the remaining thread. Okay, we have the container. Also, if you have anything like a vacuum or a duster for these kind of things, then go ahead and use this moment to dust it out to make sure that there's no more jams and everything is looking good. Step 5. Remove the thread container to ensure everything is in good condition. Go ahead and remove that. It's pretty simple to remove, hard to put back, and you also want to be gentle with that and make sure you're putting it back in. Step 6. Place the embroidery plate back on gently. Here I am placing it back going. I struggled a bit, but I was careful to make sure that I didn't break any of the attachments. Step 7. Put your screws back in and make sure that they are tight. Okay guys, we got our screws ready to go. Ready for tightening. Step 8. Take off the cover to the thread to put the thread back into place. There we go, taking the cover off. Really simple. Getting ready to place our thread inside. It's really easy to put back in. You can follow the guide that they have on the machine. Make sure that you are following the guide so that it works correctly when it's time to start your machine back up. See, that was easy, perfect. Put your cover back on. Looks good. All done. Step 9. Time to test this baby out.